This is the Ryobi 2900 PSI Pressure Washer. Today we're going to do the initial setup of it. There's a few extra steps. The only thing you're going to need is a garden hose. You're going to need the oil, which does come with it. And then you're going to have to pick up a can of the pressure washer pump protector, which you can get online. I'll throw a link down below. So this pressure washer does come with a about 20-foot hose. It comes with 4 different nozzles for your various settings. The oil for your first fill up is included, and it also comes with this diffuser hose, which you can use to put into a bottle of detergent if you were going to spray or wash like a car. So the first step before you start adding oil or fuel is going to be connect the garden hose to your inlet right here. You'll see that there's an arrow pointing to the left. This is water coming in. Up here, there's an arrow out, which is coming out towards your hose reel and your wand. Once you got the water running, you're going to check for any leaks anywhere other than the outlet right here. So you're going to look underneath. As long as you don't see anything, then we can move on to the next step. Next, you're going to put oil into your oil fill hole by removing this cap with your dipstick on it. And then you can either pick up a small funnel like this, or you can use this little paper one that comes with it. So we'll go ahead and do that now. It is fairly important to make sure that when you do this, your pressure washer is on level ground. That way you get an accurate oil reading when you check it with your dipstick. So we're going to pour in all but about 2 ounces of this oil, and then we are going to check it and see what our level is. All right, so we are up to the hash mark. We are good there. Next, we just fill it with fuel. Just make sure that you're not using E85 or E10. This is going to be 87 octane, and we're going to go ahead and fill up our reservoir. Once your fuel's in, we're going to use our pressure washer pump protector fluid, and you're going to screw it into the inlet right here. And then you're going to use this nozzle and press it in until you start seeing the fluid coming out. Then disconnect it. There's a little bit left in this. I'll save this for the next time that I use it. Next, just connect your garden hose. Make sure it's turned on, and connect your sprayer hose. Now it's time to fire it up. First, move your engine switch from off to on. Over on this side, you have your choke lever and your fuel valve lever. You want to make sure that your fuel valve is open, and for the first time, put your choke over to start. Then we're going to give it a few pulls, and after it's been running for a little bit, we're going to switch it over to run, just like that. So that's it. That's how you set up your Ryobi pressure washer for the first time. Make sure you check the links down below for that pressure washer pump protector, and I've also got some links to some very cool attachments, so make sure you check those out as well. Thanks.